You can start the session, sir. So your voice is not audible.
Hello?
Yes, sir. You can start the session, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Just a minute. Just some things to be done here. Just 1 minute. Good morning, dear students. So, kindly go through the things what we have discussed and so on. I'll be ready within 1 minute. We will continue the class. You get the answers for yesterday's homework questions. Okay, very good. Any doubts, others? What about others? So, Ignesh has got the answers. What about the others? Any doubt, or have you got the answers for the yesterday's questions? Or you can take a silence so that maybe you have done the homework, may not be you have done the homework. But let me take a positive sense. So we'll continue the today's problems. Again, we are doing the areas of triangle, quadrilateral, everything only. So A and comma 3 and C 5 comma 1 are opposite vertices of a rectangle. A 1 comma 3 and C 5 comma 1 are opposite vertices of a rectangle ABCD. The slope of BD is equal to 2. The equation is, verifying the equation. Slope of BD is 2, verifying the equation. So, what they given is given the opposite sides of a rectangle and they given the slope of BD. Giving this, they are asking us to find the what is this called as equation of BD. The first thing, if I draw the rectangle, what they are telling is This point they given, and this line's slope they given. When we speak of rectangle, we know that the diagonals of rectangle happens the diagonals of rectangle.
Cuts a rectangle into two right angle triangle.
Diagonals of rectangle bisect perpendicularly at 90 degrees. Huh? That's what the diagonals of perpendicular means. If BD is this one means this is something. Second thing, that means this point will become the point of intersection. Let me take that as O. Means now O becomes the point of intersection. And not only point of intersection, since it is bisecting perpendicular, means it is dividing this one equally. So O is also becomes the midpoint. O also becomes the midpoint. So by midpoint formula, let us find the equation's value. So O value will become as 5 plus 1 by 2 is 3, 2. So midpoint O is equal to 3 comma 2. Therefore, midpoint O is equal to 3 comma 2. Now slope of BD is given. Slope of BD is given. Slope of BD is equal to 2. So by point slope form, see this slope is given, the point is given. Therefore, equation of BD will become as y minus 2 into 2 into x minus 3. Y minus 2 into 2 into x minus 3 equal to y minus 2 is equal to x minus 6. X minus 6 that is equal to 2x minus y minus 4. 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Is it clear? You understand?
Yes, sir.
What was the next question? Now, next question is straight lines y is equal to 4 minus 3x. Y is equal to 4 minus 3x. And ay is equal to x plus 10. Ay is equal to x plus 10. And 2y plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. By plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. The side are the three consecutive sides of a triangle. Three consecutive sides of a triangle, rectangle. These are three consecutive sides of a rectangle. Then find the value of a and b. Yes, I have A into B, AB. Other than is this one are three consecutive sides of a rectangle. You have to find the value of the AB. Asked in JEE Mains 2016. How much of questions is from this chapter are asked from mains and other things and so on. So let us draw a uh, rect- rectangle. Yeah. Yeah. Let this be AB, BC, CD. Look carefully. What do you observe? Tell me.
CD is parallel to AD.
Or
CD is parallel to AD. So
AB is parallel to
BC and
CD.
CD is parallel to AD.
So AB is parallel to CD. Then anything that you observe?
BC is parallel to AD.
No. Anything that you are observing other than that one? Okay. AB is
Equal to,
perpendicular to BC.
and then
Clear?
length also same now. So
You know that rectangles, the
yeah,
angles
so
of
every
all the
angle
four
is
sides of a rectangle
90
is 90
degrees.
degree. So we have got two conditions from the rectangle diagram. AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to BC.
So
Then the equation simplify. Let us
so
find the values of A and B.
so
So before going that one, you know that conditions of parallel and perpendicular lines. What is the condition of a parallel lines? For complete science in the classroom, condition for perpendicular lines. Parallel lines is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. The coefficients of the linear equation, the line equation is proportional or in ratio. Or planar ratio. That means now we are telling that the two lines are parallel. And which are the two lines are parallel? Plus 4x, 4 minus 3x, and y plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. This one, that means x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4 by this. Another one is bx plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. That is equal to b by 3 is equal to 2 by 1. So you cross multiply, the b value will be b is equal to 6. Now we take the other two perpendicular lines. So That is, I take a simplified equation. Simplified equation is how much? Simplified equation is dx plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. With this one, another perpendicular line is what? Ay is equal to x plus 10. That is equal to x minus ay plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 10. X plus x. Okay, x is that. This is that. This is that. So it is 0. So this will be is equal to perpendicular lines 3 into 1 plus whatever it is, 1 into minus yeah, yeah, 1 into minus yeah is equal to 0. That is equal to 3 minus a is equal to 0. Therefore, minus a is equal to minus 3. For a is equal to 3. I got a is equal to b. B is equal to 6. I told the value of AB. Therefore, AB is equal to 18. Is it clear? Any doubt with these questions?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this question? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It
Ah.
is clear.
Sir,
Still, you don't know the conditions for parallel lines and perpendicular lines. What is this, students? Now we go to the next question. It is also asked again in chain events. Points 1 comma 3 and 5 comma 1. Points 1 comma 3 is let us say A is equal to 1 comma 3 and C is equal to 5 comma 1. Are opposite vertices of a triangle. Sorry. Are opposite vertices of a rectangle. The opposite vertices of a rectangle. The other two vertices lie on the line y is equal to 2x plus c. Other two vertices lie on the line y is equal to 2x plus c. Find the remaining two vertices. Now what they're telling is there is a rectangle A, B, C, D. A and C are opposite vertices. Another two vertices are lying on the line. These two vertices are lying in this line. There is one line passing the miss. These two vertices are lying in this line. This line equation is given y is equal to 2x plus c.
The slope is 2.
So keeping all these conditions, we have to find the vertices of B and D. Understood? No, miss my vertices B and D are lying on the straight line y is equal to 2x plus c. So the question is very small, but the input what they given is very clear inputs. So I will draw another one, our normal diagonal AC and BD. So this is given 1 comma 3, 5 comma 1. So using 2-point form, I'll write the equation. That is x, sorry, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to y minus 1 by y2 minus 3 Sorry. 5 minus 5 1. Y minus 3 divided by 5 minus 3, that is equal to x minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3, 5 minus 1, that is equal to y minus 3 divided by 2, x minus 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 4y minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. So if I simplify this one, this will be equal to x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the
Sir,
yes. Okay. Now they're telling that A and C are the midpoints. Therefore, what I'll do is midpoint of AC, I take it as O, that is the midpoint of AC will be 3, 2. Yes, this is my midpoint. This is lying in this angle. So this has to satisfy this condition. Right? Now, what they're telling, okay, we found out. Now, same thing I'm doing to it. A, B, C, D. So, A, B, C, D is there. And we found the equation of AC. We found the midpoint of O. Now, what we are doing is, listen carefully. BD is lying on the line y is equal to 2x plus C. And in that one, my point C is the 3, 2. It's not C, O. Yes, I'll draw separately. This is the line y is equal to 2x plus C. In this one, there is a point 3, 2. Means 3, 2 satisfies the equation. Therefore, y is equal to 2x plus C will become what means 2 is equal to 6 plus C. So C is equal to minus 4. C is equal to minus 4. Now I got the C. C is what? C is the what is this called as y-intercept. Now let us keep this y-intercept separately. Now, coming at the same line. Now this is the line. Not this line. The line is supposed to be like this. This is the line. This is the line. And this line is equal to y is equal to 2x plus c. That means any point on this line will be of the form. If I take x is t means y will be 2t plus c. Therefore, understood, no? If I give value for this one, if x is equal to 1, y will be 2 into 1 plus c. Correct now? Here, y is equal to 2x plus c. If you want to draw this line, like this. what we'll be doing, we're giving equation going up. Means if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. X is equal to 2. Means whenever my value of x is something, my value will be 2 into x of 1 plus c. That means since I am taking x as t, means my y value will be 2t plus c. Therefore, any point on this line is in the form of t comma 2t plus c. So I'll take this point as my point B. Take this point as my point B. Therefore, in rectangle we know that, sorry, it has become square. In rectangle we know that, okay, A, B, C. These two lines are perpendicular. That is A, B and B, C. Therefore, slope of A, B and B, C should be minus 1. Therefore, slope of A, B of M into A, C of M is equal to minus 1. Slope of A and B is equal to how much? A is, first of all, A is 1 comma 3. C is 5 comma 1. Y2 minus Y1. Y2 means uh, what? 2t minus 4. 2t minus 4 minus 3 all divided by uh, t minus 1 into, this will be 2t minus 4 minus 1 divided by t minus 5, that is equal to minus 1, that is equal to 2t minus 7 by t minus 1 into 2t minus 5 by t minus 5 equal to minus 1. Simplify this one, that will be is equal to, first multiply 2t minus 7 into 2t minus 5 is equal to minus of t minus 1 into t minus 5. So this one you have to multiply and simplify. It is equal to how much? 4t square
minus 10t
minus
minus 14t
10t
plus 35
minus
equal
14t
to minus
minus
t square
35 is equal to,
plus 5t
pardon?
minus t square plus 5t
That is equal to minus of
t
t
square
square minus
minus 5t
5t minus t
minus t plus
plus 5.
5
This is equal to
to square
4t square minus 14t minus 35 is equal to minus t square plus 60 minus 5.
sir
Everything take this side. This will be
sir
5t square
Kevin sir,
plus,
in the above equation we should get plus 35 also.
pardon?
Plus 35 sir.
Yes, plus 35. So it will be is equal to minus 20t this is minus 24, so minus 30t plus 40 is equal to 0. So if I take a common outside, t square minus 6t plus 8 is equal to 0. So if I factorize this one, so if I multiply, I should get plus 8. If I do additional subtraction, I should get as minus 6. So that will be equal to 4 2s are
Minus 4 plus 2, sir.
not minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 minus 2. Minus and minus plus 4 2 is 8.
Yes, sir. -2 minus.
If you add it, -4 -2 is equal to -6. It is equal to t minus 4 into t minus 2. That's what no. That is equal to t minus 4 into t minus 2. T minus 4 is equal to t minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, t is equal to 4. T is equal to 2. So, therefore, vertices are t comma 2t plus c. Correct now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we know the value of c. What is the value of c? -4. Therefore, t is equal to 2. Add a first t is equal to 2 means it will be 4 minus 4. That is equal to it will be 2 comma 0. 1 vertices is 2 comma 0. Then I am taking 2 plus 2t plus c. 1t is 4 comma 4 means 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 comma 4. Therefore, the vertices are 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Very easy question. Basing on what we know only of high school maths and some basic theory of straight lines. Nothing complicated. We're not using any complicated formulas at all here. Only things what we know only are using it. Basing on that one, we have to do. Next question. This was asked in recent JE means. JE means 19 August month. Now, let me take the question. A rectangle is inscribed in a circle with a diameter. A rectangle is inscribed in a circle with a diameter lying along the line 3y is equal to x plus 7. A diameter is lying, a diameter, so a rectangle is inscribed in a circle of diameter lying in the line 3y is equal to x plus 7. If the two adjacent vertices of a rectangle are given the adjacent vertices of a rectangle, it is -8 comma 5 and 6 comma 5. -8 comma 5 and 6 comma 5. The area of rectangle you have to find out. You have to find the area of the rectangle. Then carefully, a rectangle is inscribed in the circle. A rectangle is inscribed in the circle. The diameter is lying on the line 3y is equal to x plus 7. 3y is equal to x plus 7. And given the adjacent sides. We gotta say these two adjacent sides they are given. Now, then carefully, very important thing. First, we'll find the midpoint of these two, A and B's midpoint. From that, what we'll do is we'll draw a perpendicular to this side. First, we'll what is called as find the midpoint of AB. Let us take it as a sum.
minus
P.
1 comma 5.
Listen, you go to the calculation afterwards. Listen, the steps I analyze it. So once we find that P, from there we'll draw the perpendicular, and what we'll do is uh, from there we'll draw the perpendicular, and we will what is it called as find the center of this circle. The centers of the circle they given the equation as what they told is x plus what they give 3y is equal to x plus 7. That is done. Then what we will do is we will find the diagonals of the rectangle. Means the diagonals are nothing but the center of the circle only, because the rectangle is instead of a circle means the center of the circle will be the intersection point of the diagonals. Once we know the diagonals, we can find other 2 points very easily, and we can find the length and breadth. Once you know all the four sides, using distance formula, you'll get A and B. Using distance formula, you'll get A and B. Then we can find the area of a triangle. Understood now how to do it? You take this question as a homework. Since you take this question as a homework, you understood the steps how to do it. Same thing what we did like previous one. Only thing here is you have to find the point of intersection in a different manner based on the line given. Like last time what we did same thing only, but that point of intersection become a diameter. But that difference only. So only I explain the steps. Is it okay that you will try to do it as a homework? Okay, try it. If you don't get an answer, do come tomorrow. We will discuss in the class. Is it okay? Try. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Shall we go for the next question? The next question is very easiest question. Next question is what is the triangle? Okay. A triangle ABC. A triangle ABC. Coordinates of A. A triangle ABC. Coordinates of 1, 2. Coordinates of A are 1, 2. And equations of median through B. Equations of median through B. From B, the equation of median is median is x plus y is equal to 5. And from C, it is x is equal to 4. So from point A, they given the vertices of point A 1, 2. Point B, they told x plus y is equal to 5. Point C, they're telling that x is equal to 4. Given these conditions, they are asking us to find the area of triangle ABC. Given all these conditions, they are asking us to find the area of triangle ABC. For that, what we should do is we'll draw a rough figure. We'll draw a rough figure. A, B, C. So median, median. So whether I'll draw line A or whether I don't draw line A, listen here, see here, whether I draw a median from A or whether I don't draw a median from A, this point is already a point of intersection. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, using line B and C, find the point of intersection. This point of intersection is nothing but my centroid. Correct? No? Yes or
Sir,
no?
medians of his orthocenter, na,
Okay.
sir.
Then once you know the centroid, we can put that equation to the line. I can find the value of x and y for the equations. You'll get a B, you'll get C. So once you get ABC, we can find the area of triangle ABC. Is it okay, dear students?
Sir,
The most easiest
sir,
question, only thing you have to use the basic common sense.
sir,
Huh? Will you able to try this as an homework?
sir,
Hello,
Kevin, sir,
hello.
sir, hello,
Vignesh, yes.
sir. The intersection of medians is orthocenter, na, sir.
Further?
The intersection of medians is orthocenter, na, sir.
Further?
The intersection of medians is orthocenter, na, sir.
Who thought you go refer the 2D geometry basics? Section of medians is what is this called as centroid. Please go and check. I don't know what basics you have learned. I have taught the concept
Yeah,
every
sir, yeah,
time.
sir.
What
Sorry,
is
sir.
centroid? What is orthocenter? What is circumcenter? What is perpendicular bisector? Angular bisector? I've been taught you so many times, coming with the same wrong answer. I don't know what to do. Please cross refer the notes and tell me. Now it says cross refer the notes.
Yes, sir. It orthocenter is altitudes. Yeah, sir.
Now let us go into the basic introduction. Take the concept of concurrent lines. There you have studied some corollaries. There is one theorem called as medius of a triangular concurrent. In the bracket item, centroid is a point of concurrency. Please refer that topic of concurrent lines, point of intersection concurrent lines. They have written the theorem. Not going to basics of 2D geometry. Straight lines only. Please refer. I want Vignesh to refer, Bhavana. Let Vignesh refer.
Yeah, sir. I'm
You
wrong.
refer, Vignesh?
Yeah, sir.
What is
The
the point of
intersection
intersection of medians?
is a centroid, sir, and the point of intersection of altitudes is
Then
orthocenter.
you are telling it is orthocenter.
Yeah, sir. I'm wrong.
They teach you especially that intersection of medians are orthocenter. This is the reason I am telling hundreds of times. Go through basics. I am telling hundreds of times to go through the basics theory. Because for solving JEE means problem, IIT means problem, we don't need big formulas. We need the basics of basics formulas. Though only 99% fail. I they very much
Some
here
center
they're
is
not even learning
equally
the big formulas also. Because there people try to learn the main formulas. let us say the incenter of a triangle when angle is given, incenter of a triangle when vertices are given. So they try to learn big formulas and they try to lose out the small formulas. Here, if I ask the same formula also, that also you don't know. Big formula also you don't know, small formula also you don't know. I'm telling no, we can solve thousands of problems. But this thousands of problems will not come in the exam. They'll try to create the new one only. We are solving thousands of problems or so many problems. This isn't help. Okay, the problem can be solved in this method. Yes, you are practicing. Okay, if question is given like this, I can do in this method, that method, this method. So without knowing now you are learning the methods of solving a problem. For that, if you don't have the background idea of the basic theory, even if you solve thousands of problem or 5,000 of problem, no use. That's the reason from many days I'm telling, concentrate on basics. Concentrate on basics. Hey, I am fed up after telling. Now I am leaving, just I am teaching and going. So only I am not asking any formulas these days. Today also, after asking the parallel and perpendicular condition, I just went on with my own class. I was not asking formulas. So simply I'll get disappointed. Yeah, let it be. So we'll get this point of intersection that will be a centroid. And centroid is common to all. It's point of intersection is the median through should pass the centroid. Therefore, if you apply that point of intersection to the centroid, you will get the values of x and y. Means you'll get the vertices of B, C, and A is already given. So when the three vertices are given, area of triangle you have to find out. That is a question they asked. Okay, shall we go for the next question? Hello. No answer
Yes,
at all. Shall we go for the next question?
yes, sir.
This question is very easy first question, but little tricky question. Let us see how you will try to answer this one. A 2 comma minus 3, B minus 2 comma 1. Our vertices of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC's vertices are this one. A 2 comma minus 3, B minus 2 comma 1. The center of the triangle moves on the line 2x plus EY is equal to 1. My centroid is a variable centroid moving on the line this one. Find the vertex. Find the locus of the vertex C. Find the locus of the vertex C. What they are told is they are told what is called as they given the vertices of A and B. C they are not given. We have to find the vertex C and find the locus of the vertex C. Vertex C is x comma y is locus. You have to find out. That is one thing. Second thing, what they are telling is the centroid is lying or is moving along the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. That means first we'll take a general point, some alpha comma beta. That C is equal to alpha comma beta, a general point. Now, now for this one, we have to find the centroid. Centroid, a1 plus b1, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That will be how much that will be? Yeah, you can do it that one also. We'll do it what we did like yesterday, previous time. So whether you do with from 2 points, or you do from 3 points, it should be the same. So what I will do is the centroid will become as 2 plus minus 2. That will be what are the points they told is 2 minus 2 etc. So it will be alpha by 3. The other one is minus 3 plus 1 is 2 plus beta by 3. So from this, let us take some centroid as h comma k. Therefore, h is equal to alpha is equal to 3h and k is equal to not k, beta is equal to ek minus 2. Alpha is equal to 3h, beta is equal to 3k minus 2. So now what they are told is they are told my line is moving through the centroid. My line is moving through the centroid. Therefore, equation becomes centroid equation. What is centroid equation? Centroid equation they are given is 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. That is equal to. So what I am telling, alpha comma beta is my centroid. So the equation will become as 2 of 3h plus 3 of 3k minus 4 is equal to 1. That will be equal to h minus 9k minus 12 is equal to 1. 6s plus 9k minus 13 is equal to 0. So 6h plus 9k minus 13 is equal to 0 is the what is called as a transformed equation of my centroid. When the point is applied, when the centroid point is applied to the line, this is what the line is given to me. Therefore, look at the carefully now. The diagram now. Listen carefully the diagram. So this is my triangle A, B,
Sir,
C. Correct?
Sir.
No?
sir,
They are given the point A and B.
Kevin, sir,
They are given the point A and B, and they told that the locus is on the line.
Kevin, sir,
Yes or no?
Kevin, sir,
Hello. Oh.
sir,
A and B point was given, the locus is on that one. So I am applying that line equation. A is given, B is given. So I found the centroid G, and I found the centroids. The centroid is passing through this line. That means, see here, my centroid and my C are collinear lines. Yes or no?
sir,
My centroid and my C, point C are a collinear lines or a parallel lines.
Kevin, sir,
Means this equation will become as 6h plus 9k minus 3 is equal to 0. If I take it in the form of x comma y, it becomes 6x minus
Kevin, sir,
9y minus 3 is equal to 10. Plus 1. You understand?
Kevin, sir, Kevin, sir.
Yes, Vignesh.
In the point beta equal to 3k minus 2 we have written, but in the equation we have written 3k minus 4.
Pardon?
In the point beta value you have written 3k minus 2, but in the equation we have written 3k minus 4, sir.
I'm not getting you exactly.
In the beta value have written 3k minus 2, sir. But in the equation you have written 3k minus 4.
This will be 7. So it will be is equal to 6 minus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. Clear? Is it clear?
So, but is it? I think it could be 6x plus 9y minus 7.
Huh?
6x plus 9y minus 7. It could be.
Plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. So we'll take one more question as an homework. This is much more what is called as the easiest question to be solved. A straight line through a fixed point 2 comma 3. A straight line through a fixed point 2 comma 3 intersects the coordinate axis. Means it is cutting the coordinate axis x and y at point P and Q. A straight line through point 2 comma 3 is cutting P and Q. I am drawing diagram for you for your help. And O is the origin. O is the origin. And there is a rectangle POPRQ. A rectangle, let us say OPRQ is done. Now we have to find the locus of this rectangle. We have to find the locus of this rectangle. So this was asked in JEE Mains 18. So I'll give you the options. Option A as 2x plus 3y is equal to x. And B as 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. Option C as 3x plus 2y is equal to 6y. And option D as 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So mainly analyze the thing. So I am not going to say any steps how to do because already we have discussed a lot of problems from yesterday and today also we saw a lot of problems on rectangle, square and so on. So whatever we discussed, whatever ideas I gave for the previous problem, basing on that ideas, please do this problem. So for this problem, I will be not giving any clue or any methods. So it's a complete clear homework question. So as I told, once again, I'm telling, concentrate on the basics and the theory. I don't want to repeat what all things and so on. I'm telling, whether we solve thousands of problem or 5,000 of problem will be of no use if you don't know the theory, if you don't know what is the basics. Just simply, we are wasting our time, organized manner. Come mornings 5, 6 o'clock, sit down till 7 o'clock. Simply, we are wasting our time. So your time is also wasted. My time is also wasted. For me, it's not a waste of time. For me, I am brushing up my concepts, what I know earlier. That's all. So to say very frankly, if you don't learn the theories, if you don't learn what is exactly called as the basics, and if you just come direct to the class and do the problems and start doing the problems first, is of no use. Just an organized way of wasting your time. So I am telling it very seriously this time. Even after this, if you don't feel like studying, up to you. So with this, we'll conclude our class, wind up our class for today. We'll come to the class tomorrow basing on the same topics on quadrilaterals and the area of quadrilaterals. much more complicated problems and much more standardized problems. And afterwards, once that is over, we'll go to the centers of triangle. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
The students, again, we have class in the evening. We have class in the evening from 6:30 to 8:30. So bye everyone. Have a good day.